Welcome to CAD/CAM Aero DL tutorial. Today we continue in our AutoCAD training course, 3D AutoCAD training course part 2. And in this part 2, we shall be looking at the following topics. We shall teach ourselves how to use the following command, how to use a revolve tool, how to use a loft tool, and how to use a sweep tool or sweep command. And we shall do several exercises to get ourselves acquainted with how to use these tools effectively. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel CAD/CAM Aero DL tutorial. You can place your order for any project you like to see, and we can make a video and deliver it to you there. Okay, stay tuned. Now we shall start with this exercise with a revolve tool. We are going to model this bushy as is seen here. Okay, I want to model it. This is the picture. This is the configuration, the 2D view. Okay, this bushy has a total diameter of 80. Okay, 80 millimeters or 80 meters, as the case may be, the unit you are using. And this is the side view, the section view. This is the top view. So we are going to design it in such a way that we are going to enable us to revolve. So with this section, we are going to take a half. We are going to design a part of it, a quadrant of it, then we now revolve. Okay, stay tuned as we start a new page. Set a limit, lower left corner, okay, 0, 0, enter. Upper right corner, let's use 150, tap 150. Okay, you can zoom, UCS icon, no origin, zoom all. Okay, you can remove your grid. Now we are going to start a halfway from the midpoint. Midpoint of this section is 40, since the total diameter is 80. Okay, we are going to take a halfway. Just follow. Okay, we're going to take a halfway. You pick a line, let your auto be on. Okay, horizontal line, sorry, a line tool, not a circle. Let your auto be on. Your line 40. Okay, horizontal line 40. And zoom it. Look at our sketch. Okay, if we take 40 at midpoint, we are going to offset it 40. As we take the 40 up, we are going to offset it 10. Note this other circular part, that portion where is a bushy, and this portion where either a shaft or any spindle will pass across that shaft. This portion is, the thickness is 24. So if we take halfway to the 12, so we are going to offset it 10 up and offset 40 up here. Just follow. Okay, offset this time 10, enter. Click the object up. Okay, we want to offset it up, total distance of 40. Okay, let's take the full length of the half. Okay, and if you look at this other portion up here, we have the thickness of 4. So we offset that upper horizontal line down by 4. Okay, offset this one with a distance of 4. Okay, as I go exit, pick a line and find, let your object snap be on. Okay, let this object snap tracking, that is F11, be on. Okay, want to draw a line at the midpoint here. Okay, across this midpoint here. Okay, now we look at the thickness. Okay, the thickness, the width of this bushing is 29. Okay, is 29. So we are going to have a midpoint. So we are concentrating of half of it as that is 1/4. That is a quadrant of it. You are sketching the quadrant. That is the 1/4 of the entire object. Okay, we will sketch it one part, then mirror it to have a half. Then with that half, it will enable us to revolve it. Okay, we're interested in designing part of it, just one of the total 4 parts. Okay, a quadrant of it. Now we're going to offset this line. Offset it 14.5. Okay, 14.5 to any side, to one side. Okay, that's very good. Now also have that the rib, that thickness is 5, so we are going to offset it one side 2.5. Okay, offset again 2.5, enter this line to this side. Okay, that is good. Now I'm going to use fillet to connect this line. Fillet. Okay, this line and this line. Okay, fillet again, this line and this line. Okay, to connect it like that. Okay, now as you take this 10, total distance here is 12. Okay, you take 10, remaining 2, you are going to offset this line up by 2. Okay, now we are not offsetting. You want to trim some parts that we don't want, so you trim. Then the cutting edge, you want to keep this. Okay, want to keep this one, keep this one. Okay, enter. Okay, you remove this portion that we don't want. Okay, remove this portion that we really don't want. Okay, you can use cross window from here to remove this portion. Okay, you remove this portion here. Okay, now as I was saying, this other portion up here, this other section that make it 12, we have taken 10, remaining 2, so use a line, draw it up to, then with an angle, this angle is angle A. We keep angle 8 to the horizontal. Okay, so if we take it from this line, so the angle will be projected angle 172. Pick a line. Okay, pick a line from here with your auto on, your type to enter. Okay, then remove it from auto so that you have angular line. Put object tracking. Okay, or polar tracking rather. Okay, take it at an angle, and we are going to use angular distance. We are going to put 20. Okay, distance to snap it to that main line. Rather than 20, let's put 20. Okay, after you put 20, use tab key to switch over to angle. The angle on the straight line is 180. So if you want minus 8 from 180, so the angle is going to be 172. So type 172 on your keyboard, you enter. Okay, so the line will automatically snap itself to this place. Okay, we're almost there, so we'll go ahead to trim the portion we don't want. Okay, trim this portion and this portion. Also trim. Okay, also remove this portion we don't want. Okay, can remove this one. Now we have drawn this part. This one is okay. So we mirror it to have a half of it, and with that half, it will enable us to revolve it. Okay. Remember, this is done. I did not switch over to 2D. Remember to sketch it in 2D. Okay. Then switch over to 3D. Okay, it was in 3D, but since I was sketching it on top plane, it was still on 2 coordinate. Okay, now switch over properly to 2D now. Okay, now I will now mirror it to the other side to have the half of it. Hope you are following. Then mirror, you see mirror here, or you can just type MI, a shortcut, enter. I select the object, use window crossing to select all these objects. Okay, select here, you enter. Okay, ask you to select the first point, just pick 2 points along this line. Okay, provided they are along the line, click there. Ask you to keep want to erase the sub object, you say no, I enter. Okay, so this is done. So this middle line, we are going to do away with it, remove it. Okay, that is it. So we have successfully sketched this part. Okay, now switch over to 3D environment or 3D workspace. Okay, before we do that, we are going to join this one, because before we model it, we revolve it, it's going to be a single sketch. To do that, come to this modify, you see join. Okay, you select everything here, join. Okay, everything here is joined. Okay, now switch over to 3D modeling. Switch over to 3D modeling. Okay, I'd like to switch over. Then under your view, select southeast isometric. Southeast isometric. Okay, as I do. Remember this other line, this other horizontal line here is the axis. This line now is the axis of revolution. So you now click to confirm that this object is just single. Okay, you need to join it again. Remember, it's not completely joined, so you should click join. Okay, join from here. You select this object and select this one. Press enter. Check whether it's one object. Okay, it's one object now. Now you can do a revolve to revolve comma by clicking on the flyout. Click on the flyout, have revolve, click revolve. Okay, as you select the object to revolve, select this object, enter. Okay, as you specify the axis, start point, just pick 2 lines along this axis, as the first point, the second point. Okay, now our object want to revolve. So now ask you to specify the angle of revolution. The angle is 360. Okay, since we want to have a complete cylindrical part, okay, have put 360. Okay, enter. Okay, our object has been modeled. To view it properly, come to this wireframe, this view style, visual style. Then you now select the proper view style you want. So I choose with shaded with edges. Okay, now we look at your sketch. We need to fillet it. We fillet it with radius of 2. Okay, fillet. Click this edge. Okay, put a radius of 2. Enter. Then click all the edges that you want to fillet with your middle mouse button and a shift key, press down. you can be able to orbit your sketch. Okay, you can be able to orbit your sketch to rotate it. As you selected the 4 edges, you now enter. Okay, now you have your object selected. Okay, hope you like it. So that is all about this. So you can double click to color, put a color you want of your choice. Click on this flyout. Any color you choose, it will be affected. Okay, any color you choose, it will definitely change. You click that, you close. Here's it. Okay, and rotate it with your middle mouse button. Press down and a combination of shift key on your keyboard. Okay, so you can view it from different plane now. Okay, different view. Okay, can view it left, can view it right. Okay, click view right, can view the top. That's the top. And that's all about for a revolve tool. Okay, now the second example exercise we are going to do model. We're going to model a funnel using a loft tool or a loft command, and we are going to sketch this funnel with 3 profiles. We're going to use an ellipse and circle, an ellipse of horizontal diameter of 120 and a vertical diameter of or length of 80. Okay, thereafter we use a circle of diameter 20 and a smaller circle of diameter 10. Okay, you go over, we're going to set a limit. Okay, limit 0,0, enter. Upper right corner, let's put 200, 200, enter. Okay, hope you are following. Then UCS to return the coordinate. Okay, UCS icon, go to no origin. Okay, zoom, enter, zoom all. Can remove your grid using F7. Let grid be off, F7. Okay, now we are, let's use top. Let's sketch it from top. Okay, let's sketch this from top here. Let's put wireframe. Okay, wireframe. I'm going to sketch using an ellipse. Okay, using an ellipse. Let your auto be on. Okay, sketch a horizontal line of 120. That is the distance. Then take it the vertical line. We have 80. Okay, enter. Okay, we have an ellipse now. Then pick a diameter circle. To get this midpoint. Okay, you hover your cursor over the edge of this ellipse, you get a center point. Okay, start sketching. We sketch a diameter circle of 20. Okay, also sketch another one, diameter circle of 10. Diameter circle of 10. You enter. Okay, now I want to put it in isometric. So is isometric now. Okay, so is isometric. Okay, if you look at our sketch, I'm going to move this ellipse from where we sketch it up by a distance of 75, and also move the smaller 10mm diameter circle, move it from where we sketch down by a distance of 40, because the total distance of the height of the funnel is going to be 125. So if you move 85 up, we'll have 45 down from that section point. Okay, now you let your move, select this ellipse, okay, enter. Okay, select this, specify the base point, can take it from anywhere provided your auto is on, so that you have a vertical and a straight horizontal line. Take it up, we're going to move it 85 up, 85 up. Okay, that is 85. If you are not satisfied with that, you can undo. You see how you move it. Okay, undo again, undo. Okay, let's put it top, so you see where we are going to sketch it. Okay, this is where we sketch it, then put side isometric. So it's isometric now. Let's go over it again. Okay, go over it again. Top. Okay, sketch it from top. Ellipse. Okay, with our auto on, 120. Enter. The vertical line 80. Enter. Okay, then pick a circle, pick a center circle, a center diameter circle, cover your cursor, get the midpoint, the object snap on 20. Okay, 20, and another center diameter 10. Okay, 10. Then you now switch over to south is isometric. Okay, to have this object, then you now move it. Going to move it up by 80. Move it up by 80. Select this ellipse. Enter. Okay, from any distance, move up by 85. Enter. Okay, that is the movement. That's the position. Then move. Enter to activate the last command. Select the smaller one. Enter. Okay, can switch from anywhere by 40. Okay, enter. Okay, so that's how our funnel is going to look like. Okay, so this is how our funnel is going to look like. So I will now use our loft command. Okay, loft command, come to this place, see loft. Okay, select the profile, select the smaller one, select the bigger one. Okay, and select the biggest one. Okay, you now enter. Now say crossing edge, cross sections only, yes. Okay, you can view properly with shaded edge. Okay, see our funnel has been created. Okay, funnel has been created. Now we want to make this funnel, because funnels are hollow. To make it hollow, come to this solid editing. Okay, come to share, select the entire object, select it here. You select the face to remove, select the upper edge. Okay, a middle mouse button to turn it, to get access to this other smaller, and you select them, you enter. Okay, then the thickness, I'm going to put thickness of 0.2, you enter. Okay, thickness of 0.2, you enter, exit. and exit. Okay, can view inside isometric now. You see your funnel has been created very well. Okay, so you can take any dimension you want. Double click, you can be able to color it the way you want it. Okay, you have to select any color you want. Okay, any color you want. Selected, exit, press escape and close this space. Okay, so our funnel has been modeled using a loft tool, a loft command. Okay, has been modeled using a loft command. So you can save your work. Okay, you can save your work so that you will not regret if your system trip up, or if you're working with a public power supply. When you trip off light, you will not regret losing your job if you are not safe. Okay, so you got to save and save it with proper name. Okay, you can save it as a funnel. Okay, you save it anywhere you want to save it. Okay, now move into the last command, which is swift. So we are going to model this spanner. This is a special spanner called Allen key. Okay, we're going to model using a swift command. After, we shall do more swift command using twist and several styles of swift tool. Okay, so we are going to model it. See the specification, the dimension. We are going to model it with this dimension. We have 15, 5 and 60 here, and we're going to use a polygon for the thickness, the profile. Okay, we're using this sweep tool. Okay, now go over your model, open a new page. So you are using 3D, use 3D, either 3D ARCAD 3D or this ARCAD ISO 3D workspace. Okay, also set a limit. Set a limit of maybe 100. Limit, enter, 0,0, enter, upper right corner, 100, enter, UCS icon, enter, no origin. Okay, no origin, enter, zoom, enter, zoom all. Okay, remove your grid by using F7. Okay, now you are going to select it on, keep start your symmetry as a 3D view we selected. Then I'm going to sketch the profile. I'm going to sketch the path with a right view, from a right view. I'm going to sketch the profile with the right view. Okay, pick your line command with your auto on. Okay, sketch up, put 20, then this side 65. Okay, look at the object. That is the 20 and 60 and 65, right? Now we are going to fillet it with a radius of 5. Fillet. Okay, put radius 5, enter, here and here. Okay, then the profile, we're going to use this profile. We're going to use a polygon of 6 sides, with each of the side, the diameter or the length, the distance of the side to be 3. Okay, then from this UCS, switch over to top. Okay, I'm going to sketch it from this top, as Z axis, and you pick polygon This is a polygon. Pick a polygon. You put a number of sides, that is 6, enter. Okay. As you are sketching, we are going to use age so that it will give us access to put the dimension or the distance. You select age from your command line, then you start sketching. Select the first next point, then put the distance to be 3, enter. Okay, so selected. This is polygon. Okay, this is a polygon of length 3. You can measure that. Okay, you can measure it with check by using a notation. This line and this line. Okay, is 2.6. It's not up to 3. Okay, you delete it. Come to home, pick this side, enter, specify age, okay, specify the first point, sketch, and put a distance of 3, endpoint age 3. Okay, now we are going to sweep it along this path. So you come to sweep command. Let the sweep the path, the object to sweep. This is the profile, that is the polygon. Okay, you enter, ask to sweep the sweep path, and this is the sweep path. Okay, you sweep only this part because we are supposed to join this line. You undo. Okay, you are going to join this profile so that it will be seen as one sketch. Do that, come to modify, join. You now select all these lines, the fillet radius, enter. Okay, it becomes one line now. So we can now sweep. Let's sweep from here. Select the object, enter. Okay, and select the path to sweep. So it has properly sweep this place. This is special Allen key for mechanical mechanics. If you have gone to mechanic shop, you have a special spanner that you use to loosen special knot. Okay, now we are going to do more exercise on sweep. Okay, we are going to use twisting, and we also use a scaling, sweep with scaling, sweep with a twist. Okay, now we are going to open a new page. Okay, open a new page, a new workspace. Okay, set the limit. Always set your limit so that you always have access to your sketch at any moment when you zoom. Okay, limit, lower left command 0,0, enter, 200, at upper right corner, enter, UCS icon, enter, no origin, enter, zoom to, enter, zoom all. You can always remove your grid. F7. Okay, now choose side is isometric. We are going to sketch this on right. Okay, when you are sweeping, you sketch sweeping has two. You must take property for sweep, must have a sketch and must have a path. That is a sketch which is the profile, and a path which that profile will be swept along. Okay, now take it from right. I want to have the path to lie on right. You just pick your line tool with your auto on, sketch, as small as can be, let's say 8. Move it from realistic to wireframe, sketch again, line, sketch of it, then take a direction, I say 22, enter. Okay, I say 22. We are going to fillet. Okay, fillet radius, you can fill radius from here or type arrow, radius of 7, enter. That is object, select here. Okay, now you can join them so that there will be one object. Join, use a window crossing to select, enter. Okay, become one object now. Okay, and we're going to sketch a profile, which is a sketch. We're going to sketch that on top plane. From this UCS, choose top. Okay, so you have your Z, which is the top plane. Sketch a circle, center radius circle. I'm going to sketch it from this midpoint. Okay, so from this midpoint, a circle of SA 1.8. Okay, 1.8. I want us to duplicate this as many times, like up to 6 places, because we are going to use several sweep style. Okay, we will use normal sweep, and we use sweep with scale. We use sweep with twist and different types of sweep and with different types of sketch profile. Okay, so I just want us to copy this object, copy here. Okay, enter. Okay, copy it to this side. Okay, copy half this side. Okay, many time and like up to 6 places. Okay, that's very good. Okay, let's do one after another. Okay, we're going to sweep along this part, sweep, normal sweep, cylindrical part. Okay, sweep, enter, sweep part. Okay, now check you from wireframe to sweep with edges. Okay, so this is how you sweep your object. Okay, let's sweep your object. Start your symmetry. Okay, now have it. Now if you want to make this a hole or a pipe, you can actually use a shell. Okay, shell tool. Okay, select the object, enter, then select the faces to remove. Select the faces to remove. Okay, using your middle mouse button, you can actually zoom to remove this face. Okay, try to remove this other face, remove this face. Okay, you now enter. Now put the thickness to as small as, okay, 0.5. Okay, enter. Now exit. Okay, I can put it with shed realistic view so that it will be smoother. You may want to get something like a pipe or something like a conduit. Okay, you can always have it like this using a sweep tool. Okay, let's put it such a symmetry so we get access to the other ones now. Now we're going to sketch this one. We're going to replace this one with a rectangle. Choose a rectangle and sketch. Just sketch a small rectangle. Okay, like this. Then we're going to move it to put at this point. Okay, now move this object to move, enter. We're going to use a snap tool so that it will be at the midpoint. So using a snap tool to get this midpoint here, so you can be able to get the midpoint of this piece. If you object snapping, you can get that this is a midpoint. You snap to this side, that line, take it from here, you always get the midpoint. See the midpoint here, that's the midpoint, and take it to lie there. Okay, so we are going to sweep this in along this path. Okay, sweep object, that is sketch, enter, and the path to sweep along. So that's how to sweep something rectangular too. Okay, now we're going to put another rectangle. I'm going to sweep it using a twisting type of sweep. Rectangle. Okay, let's sketch a small rectangle. Okay, sketch it as it is, then move it to have a place at the midpoint of that place. Select this object. Okay, enter, then use snapping tool to snap it to get the midpoint. To the midpoint. Now from this point you get the midpoint of this place. Okay, at the midpoint, take it from there and place there. So sweep, we are going to use sweeping using a twisting. We are going to use, select it now, enter. Okay, you look at your command line, how to, you have this twist. Okay, when you twist it, select twist, you can type T or select twist from this command line, twist. Okay, ask us to put a twist angle. The twist angle, one revolution, we will turn, sweep this with one revolution. So we are going to turn it, we want to turn it like up to 5 times. Okay, up to 5 times. Multiply 360 by 5, you get 1800. Okay, we'll put 1800 as our angle. Okay, I'll also select the sweep part. This is the sweep part. You wait for it. Now you see how our object has been twisted. So it depends on the kind of design you want to design. Okay, we have a particular design in front of you. You take time to study it so you know the kind of tools to apply. Okay, that's good. Now you can also decide to sweep this. Want to sweep using scale. Okay, want to sweep using a scale. If you do that, you know what it means. Now sweep this one. Okay, using a scale. Select this object, enter. Okay, look at this command line and see scale. Want to select scale or type S. Okay, select the object or the scale factor. Want to scale like 0.2. Okay, select the, okay, sorry, sweep. Okay, select the object, enter, scale, the scale factor 0.2, enter. Select the sweep part, that is object. Okay, so assume you want to scale or design an object that have a constant reducing configuration, you use a scale sweep to do that. Okay, use a scale sweep to do that. Okay, I'm going to copy one, just to copy one more. Copy this. Okay, enter, one more. Okay, just keep it there. We are going to remove this portion with our O2 on. I'm going to cut this circle into two in that quadrant. Okay, let's use a trim tool. Trim, enter, trim this part. I want to trim this part now. Wait. You have to switch. Let's extend this side. So we now trim, enter, select this part. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, let a line. I'm going to cut this into two. Okay, let along this part, Okay, cut this line. Use a trim tool. Okay, so this object, select here, enter. Okay, select object, remove it from here, remove this part too. Okay, select this one, remove, select this one, remove. Hope you are following. So we are going to use that scale also to twist it using a twisting tool, using this base using a base command there, and also twisting. Sweep, select this object, enter. Okay, how to use a base twist. Beside the twisting part, beside this part. Okay, so actually you want to select this object. Okay, select something hollow, you select it like this. Okay, select and sweep. I am going to sweep something hollow. Okay, sweep it one halfway. That's how you sweep along that part. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, now we are going to do another twist using this half circle, this semicircle. Okay, sweep, select this object, enter. Okay, using a twist or twist angle, revolution 1008. Select this part. Okay, use another sweep style. You want to sweep something like a spiral or something, a surface twist. You can use this type of sweep with your profile called halfway. Okay, now let us sweep something like a conduit of wire, like all these big electrical cables that are always wrapped together. Okay, to do that, I'm going to select another circle using this last one now. Let's create a circle of 0.7. Okay, enter. Now use this array. Okay, select this object, okay, select this object, enter. Now as of which of the array we are going to use polar array. Okay, this side so that you have it. Array is here, you can select it from here, anyone you want, but you can just type the shortcut. Okay, select this object, enter. Which of the array? Polar array. Okay, select the center point. This is the center of axis where you're going to array it along. Okay, maybe I want to do it. I want to increase. I want to undo it. I want to increase this circle. I want to delete it. I have a circle of 1.8 or 0.9, 0.85 rather. Enter. Okay, now array it. Array, select object, enter. Polar array, that is this point. Okay, what made me actually increase it, I want this circle, when I array it by 6 items, so that they will stay close to each other as much as possible. Okay, now I can still undo it. I want to increase it again. Okay, I want to increase that circle, another circle on this quadrant. Okay, by 0.9, 0.9, and now array it. Array, enter. Select object, enter. Polar array, this one is center point. Okay, I want it to be like this so that it will now exit. Now, to be able to twist this array, you remove this part, the circle, initial circle, this array. If you want to array this to be seen as one object, so we are going to use explode a command to remove them so that this object, this circle, will be seen as one object. Enter. So they are now seen as one object now, the individual object. To enable us array it. So we are going to array it using a twisting command. Sweep. Select the object to sweep, to select, to sweep. Use window command to select. Enter. Use a twisting tool. Then with our twisting angle, okay, revolution, use 1808. Enter. The sweep part will be this one. Just wait for it. Okay, now see our object has been twisted. Assuming you are going to draw something like a conduit of wire, so we actually use this twisting sweep to do that. And double click to select the layer, the color you want. You can select it individually. Okay, you can select it individually and choose the color you want. Okay, you can choose the color you want by double clicking any of them. Choose the color you want. Okay, choose any color of your choice. Okay, so actually this is how to use a twisting command to achieve several and different designs. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.